I'd like to know it's more than love at first sight. I want a Sunday kind of Welcome love. To That Sunday Kind of Love, a show on how to show love with what you love. Today, we have the New Balance 550s, covering both leather and mesh. Whether you're a workout enthusiast, busy mum, or rock white uptowns, bright white sneakers are a perfect choice, always. They're versatile, comfortable, and let's face it, they always look good. In this video, we'll share simple tips on cleaning white sneakers at home using the Aether Care sneaker cleaning kit and other simple tools around the home. We'll provide a detailed guide on cleaning shoes using different methods to make your sneakers look brand new. So subscribe to our channel to be notified for more episodes, and we'll show you the easiest and effective ways on cleaning your favorite pairs from New Balance, Converse, Nike, Adidas, and even high-end sneakers such as Balenciaga, Gucci, and LV. Let's get started. This is what you'll need. Aether cleaning solution made from coconut extract. It's eco-friendly, biodegradable, safe on all colors, fabrics such as mesh, suede, leather, and more. A hard synthetic brush, harder than Mike Tyson's head. A premium brush, soft. A plastic or ceramic bowl, two bowls. Toothbrush, if you don't have a toothbrush, I don't think you have any teeth, maybe. A microfiber cloth, yeah, that's simple. Water, a little bit for good luck. Waterproof spray, protect your sneakers, because, they get a little bit jiggy on the dance floor. And no, I'm not talking about that type of protection. Or am I? You find everything in the link below. So step 1, remove laces. Once you have removed the laces, hence why the second bowl, dunk your laces in there, grab your solution, put a little bit in there, a couple of drops. Now with the sneaker, use a synthetic brush to brush down all dirt, debris, and everything that is around the sneaker just to get the dust off. If you're concerned about using the synthetic brush, this is where the premium brush comes in. Once you're happy with the dirt and debris off the sneaker, think about the sneaker in thirds: toe box, midsection, and heel. And then also undersole, midsole, and upper. The reason why I say this is because it's so much easier to break down the sneaker in thirds, so then you know what you're doing. What I tend to do is I do the undersole first and work way up, and then when you go to the upper, move from the toe box to the mid to the heel. Put a couple of drops of the coconut extract solution onto the brush, dunk the brush in water, drip off the excess, and scrub the undersole. Wipe it down with a microfiber cloth, making sure that all the dirt is off the bottom. You can get into the finer details with a microfiber cloth by wrapping it around your finger, using a little bit of solution. Dunk it in water. And get into all the hard stains on the midsole and undersole. So check what you're doing with the undersoles and midsoles and work your way up. Once you are happy with the undersole and the midsole, start working on the uppers. Using the synthetic brush and some water and solution, repeat the process. Starting from the toe box, dunk the brush in water, and work your way around that section. Check that section. Clean, ping, bam, boom. Work through the midsection. Just be conscious of the materials that are around the sneaker. And sometimes what this can do also is make the fabrics peel a little bit if the sneaker is a little bit worn in. Check the midsection. And now for the heel. Now using that soft brush, which is the premium hogshead brush, dunk it in water, put some solution on, dunk it back in water. No way, Michael Jordan. Work through the heel, and getting into the details of the mesh, and the mesh on the heel here too. Because what this will do is this is actually a lot softer than the synthetic brush, which will make it a lot more of an easier clean to get into some of the fibers. Dry down the whole shoe, make sure you're happy. You can see there's a little bit of dirt around here where the nylon mesh is. So what you can do is use your handy toothbrush, not for your teeth, for the sneakers, if you had teeth. Repeating that same process with the solution and water, and working in a solution, and working in a circular motion like Mr. Miyagi. Wax on, wax off. Working around the back of the heel. Slow the process down. Pump them beats, boy. Remember, it's all about love. Putting love into the sneaker. Take your time with it. It's a Sunday. We're chilling, cruising, getting into all the little details, getting into all these little bits, through where all the thread is. This is the detail part of the section. This is the detail part of the cleaning. Now that you're happy with partial of the upper, work on the tongue using the premium brush, solution, toothbrush, Getting all up in that grill. Nice and slow. Bumping and grinding. Wipe down the sneaker, make sure you're happy. See how it's looking. Look at all the angles. Strike a pose. Vogue shoot. Let's do it, baby. Hot tip. With the laces. Obviously for demonstration purposes we didn't have the other one. But for this one here, run the laces through your fingers and roll them around like so. Squeeze it out. Watch that dirt come out. And then, you grab the lace like this and the microfiber cloth and run it through your fingers and slide on out. And slide again, slide, oh shit, and slide on out. You obviously will still get a little bit of dirt on there, so what I tend to do is I grab the toothbrush, and if you want to get into the little nitty gritties, you can get in there and scrub the little bits of dirt. Run it again. And set the laces aside to dry. Once you have done both sneakers, make sure they're dry, and then you put your protector spray on. Obviously these aren't dry, but this is for demonstration purposes. Pump action. Doesn't matter how far you actually put the sneaker unless they are suede. But we can go to that when you watch another episode of Sunday Kinda Love when we do suede sneakers. So spray your sneaker. Nice even coats. And let that set to dry. And remember, your sneakers ain't beef jerky. They don't need to be in the sun. They need to be in the shade, and they need to give all the love that you need to give them. So let them sit in the shade for 12 hours, 24 hours, whatever you want to keep them out there for. But make sure they're dry before you're putting them on your feet, because obviously you don't want wet socks. Nobody likes wet socks. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Sunday Kinda Love. Peace out. My name's Radam Royce.